I'm Sarah Louise.
I'm Enrica, and we're Unblocked, and we're here today with Derek from Zero Carbon Project. Do you want to tell us a little bit about this project?
Sure. Okay, well, as you can read, we're tackling climate change using the blockchain. Now, the way we're doing that, we have a two-part solution. We have the zero carbon markets, where a household or a business can go online. They can switch to zero carbon energy. They can save money compared to their existing fossil fuel electricity, and they can also earn crypto rewards, zero carbon coins.
Okay.
Now, the second part of the solution is our zero carbon token economy, and this is where we infuse our tokens, our zero carbon coins, with utility value. So when an energy supplier wins business across our zero carbon market, they have to pay a transaction fee using our zero carbon coins. So they have to go onto IDEX, where we're listed on IDEX. They have to purchase our zero carbon coins, and they have to use those to pay the transaction fee. So this generates an internal demand for our token economy. So as our customer base grows, the demand for our zero carbon coins increases. Now, interestingly, there's no supply of zero carbon coins at the moment. As we reward our consumers for switching to zero carbon and contributing to tackling climate change, the supply side of our token economy increases at the same time as our demand side. So demand and supply are in equilibrium, and that's our token economy.
Okay.
And do you feel people are finding it easy to want to get involved with all the cryptocurrency elements of it?
Yes. So we have 32 energy suppliers who we have signed up to our zero carbon markets.
Amazing.
We launched our markets last October, and we have a community of about 7,000 energy consumers. We've done 440 transactions, and we're satisfied with that because we're not investing in sales and marketing yet. We're still trialing our market software and our token economy smart contracts. We're waiting for the ICO market to recover so that we can do a token crowd sale.
Okay.
And then once we've done that, we're going to use those funds to invest in proper sales and marketing.
Okay.
We're backed by My Business Beyond, which is an energy consultancy. It's a larger business. It's profitable, and that's what's currently funding Zero Carbon Project in the meantime.
Okay. Are you based in the UK only, or are you anywhere else? Are you in Europe or?
We're based in Chiswick in West London.
Okay.
And we've launched our zero carbon markets here in the UK, but we've also launched them in Australia.
Okay.
So once we've done the token crowd sale, we're going to use that to market in the UK and Australia. Once we've established that market, we're going to do a STO in order to roll it out globally.
And what was your personal inspiration for starting Zero Carbon, and what experience do you have?
Well, for the last 10 years, I've been worried about climate change. I've been watching the renewable energy technology costs get cheaper. Solar panels, for instance, costs fell 90%. Over the last 3 or 4 years, battery technology started to become more cost effective. However, not enough to make a big impact on the climate change problem. A couple of years ago, Phil, my software developer, cornered me and explained Ethereum blockchain and trustless smart contracts. And my philosophy is very much in line with that. So the penny dropped that we could actually create a trustless token economy and be clever. And we've now found a solution that can solve our climate change problem.
A side question, actually. Someone has mentioned to me that they're really concerned about how much impact there is from mining. What's your view on that? And have you approached any of the mining companies or?
Yeah. For a start, proof of work consensus approach in Bitcoin and Ethereum is energy intensive.
Yeah.
And it's a real problem. They've estimated about 75% of the electricity is sourced from renewables, but who knows for sure. There's too much electricity consumption. We're confident that Ethereum 2.0 will deliver the transition to proof of stake, which is a lot less, which doesn't require much electricity.
Yeah.
So we're committed to Ethereum. We think it has the right philosophy. It has the right development community. We don't think the other blockchains are going to catch up when it comes to trustless smart contracts. So we're committed to Ethereum blockchain at the moment. Now, in the interim, we're buying carbon offsets for our transactions that result in carbon emissions through the Ethereum consensus mechanism. Interestingly, even today, we're talking to a blockchain project which has a network of miners, and we've come up with quite an interesting project collaboration where they're going to introduce our zero carbon project to their mining community for carbon offsets for their mining operations.
That's great.
Yeah.
That's great. Yeah, I mean...
where can people find out more? What's your website?
Best to go to
Telegram?
www.zerocarbonproject.com. Register.
Telegram.
Enter our zero carbon markets. You can then purchase some zero carbon offsets and receive zero carbon coin rewards. Or if you're in the UK, you can switch your household or your business to a zero carbon energy supplier.
That's good.
We have 32 of them.
That's great.
And you can save money compared to what you're currently paying, and you can earn zero carbon coins.
Sure.
But most of all, you can make an impact and help us solve climate change.
And can people switch without any understanding of cryptocurrency?
Yes. We have a very, very easy consumer portal where they can see the zero carbon coins they've accumulated. They'll see a little button saying UK home switching.
Yeah.
If they click on there, they enter 3 or 4 of their current electricity usage requirements, and they will receive a big list of electricity offers from our 32 energy suppliers, all compared to their current electricity supply cost.
Cool.
That's great to know.
Easy to use.
Great to know. Thanks so much for chatting with us today. It was nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah?
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks.
Yeah,
Bye.
thanks.
Bye.
Thanks.